Kulish wani fibro. Laitkam kawai hapo Botanical Survey of India kabade jong ka field worker kaner deka purely contractual kabade shipo benai lane lada ka project kampat kut tekan sa extend lada ka lakut melakut tang shipo benai. Dengan nya page kane ka post application are invited from Indian national for a work interview kan mau ba on work interview kade be direct interview siap lek ha katukas ngi ra document jong pi bat xerox bat original ha katukas ngi kade 100 August Arjar Arsau, Shipo Baji, Arbaji, at Botanical Survey of India, Eastern Regional Center, Lower New Colony, Laitumkhrah, Laitumkhrah, Shillong, Nyokndai Lai, no not Lai, for the project Exploration and Documentation of Wild Edible Plant of Northeast India, Tripura. Take below interested candidate should bring all the document in support of essential qualification, age, caste, certificate, experience, extra, and original, and submit duplicate of this document along with their biodata at the time of interview. Tip hi awale ya ka work interview ya bra rengkat bat ki xerox rengkat bagi original baru ki documents ki jongpi. No TADA will be paid for attending the interview. The selection and engagement of research personnel is purely temporary for a period of 10 months tang shipo benai with effect from September 24 nadu September kasdang to June 2025 and co terminus with the project. Katkum ke project kanang yat tenang long lakut ke project lakut ka kam. Teka keteng juga neka post a number of position field worker tang iwe mo dan kam tang iwe hi katulop pada fellowship amount kan dai khat prajar plus khat percent ka house rent allowance. Essential qualification dai BSc with botany kibale jaka botany kila apply. Desirable qualification la kidon kiba la don lupa ka experience in field survey and collection of plant la kimdon tang BSc with botany ki accept. Age limit beda 50 years as on date of interview, relaxable as per government of India norms. Haduk san post name ki ayaka relaxable plus sans name te sans name. Te tangkat ne kenyubtip te kwa ban late nam takane ka work interview te sakan mau ban late 100 August arja arsau. Tangkini kenyubtip kulish bun.